Hello, my friends. Just a cheap thing today. Just a cheap $25 to $30 part ordered from eBay. Just a little bit of flare on the rear end because I do have, extra plastic bits on the front and a lot of blackout on the front. And I guess I have the spoiler in the back. I don't know, I felt like the back still needed a little bit something more. And some sort of diffuser or something. I've seen some more complicated, larger options out there, but I don't know, I don't really want to add like a big crazy diffuser on the bumper of a car that's not actually fast. It just kind of seems weird to me, but to each their own. So I went basically with the smallest thing I could find. You can get these on obviously Amazon or eBay is where I got mine. I did not mean to order the carbon fiber dipped one. That's what it is as far as I can tell, like one of those layer dip things. I'm not interested in fake carbon fiber. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick sand and gloss black it before it goes on my car. Like the little body modifications and little things, but at some point it gets kind of crazy how many plastic pieces people put on their car. I don't know. Everybody kind of has a different line with that, I guess, but I think that's gonna work out nicely right there. Just a touch more aggressive in the back, just a touch. And this is the perfect kind of thing for me to be doing to the car right now. It's not something for me to do at least, but I'm hesitant to spend more money on this car because I'm seriously considering trading it in. I guess now I'm doing more. I went to the auto parts store and I picked up one of these freaking universal front bumper spoilers, a bunch of screws and stuff. I've got it in the sun, trying to straighten it out a little bit. Looking at variations of this same type of thing for a while. This one is less foam and more just rubber, and it's not the biggest one you can buy. And I got it at AutoZone. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but I'll give it a try. I want to give a little bit of a drop to this front end here. We'll see how that works. Okay. Up and then trim them. I'm gonna kind of worry about that at the end. Oh, I totally missed what I was just recording, but I got this end done. Looks pretty decent. And if it's a little warbly, you can kind of grab it and tweak on it a little bit and it'll straighten out a bit. So far, I'm fairly happy with how it looks. All right, now we're on the other end. It's very important to do this cut at the right spot and to get it straight. This one overlapped weird. Gotta cut part of the tab in the back off. Oh damn, I cut it a tiny bit short. Oh shit, I don't like that. But I have some extras. Here is what we got. It's not bad. I'm gonna have to put it down on the ground before I know for sure exactly how I feel about it. But given that my front bumper is already kind of messed up, I think I like it. Got it. I think we're done. Look how many screws I got. I got a lot of screws. After a detour to AutoZone to get some 3M tape, I am now situated and about to try applying this thing on there. After a couple of measurements. I like how that looks. That's a nice little touch to the back. Methinks. Bridge. And there's no traffic?